So my question lies with color scheme and color palette. So I have that like white oak, gray color floor. If I did a white oak vanity, is that too similar to the floor?
Oh.
I wonder. I think if it were my bathroom, given that you have like a white oak floor, which is good because it goes with a lot of things, I might pick like an accent color. I might actually paint the cabinet.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is where I was going. Like, what if you did like a sage green or like a real dark navy blue or something like that?
I think both of those would look good. Okay. And then white porcelain?
Yeah, like I have some granite quartz, whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe something with some veining of like gray or black or something like that in there. Yeah. But then the question becomes, if you're going to go with like a fun color for the vanity, right? What color do you paint the walls? Because she was like, I kind of want to have like a little different. She's like, I'm not opposed to a white wall, but we have a lot of white walls already.
Well, okay. So first of all, what's in there? You have just bathroom and or toilet and vanity. Is that the only thing in the room?
Toilet and vanity, and then we have this like little like cutout nook thing that I was also going to put basically a single cabinet with a countertop and then floating shelves above it.
Oh, so it's a pretty big nook.
Yeah, pretty good size.
Okay. What about vanity is the accent color, and then you pick one wall that's also the accent color?
That's what I had pitched. My only concern is that the vanity and the nook are on perpendicular walls with one another. So the cabinet that would be, so the vanity, you painted the vanity blue or whatever, and then the cabinet and the nook, you would also want it to match, right?
Yeah, maybe just the inside of the nook.
Yeah,
ooh, there you go.
Then you get a little bit of depth.
But like, what color would you match with like a painted vanity? Is you like a dark blue, light blue scenario?
I kind of like the sage green idea, but
yeah, go same color on both.
What? So you walk into this room, you come through the door.
I've got a picture.
Is the vanity on the left, on the right? What's right in front of you?
Okay, so there we go. You walk in, vanity is on the left, toilet is on the left.
Okay. I would have a tendency to do the
little like nook area.
Oh, the nook is beside. I see. Interesting. So you're going to do a cabinet in there. I would do that back wall of the nook and probably just the back wall because you're looking at it when you come straight in. And then I would do I would do the back wall of it. Any cabinetry you put in there, also do it. Do the vanity, the accent color, and then leave the rest of the walls white.
So this is a rough iPad sketch of what we're imagining that like nook would look like.
Yeah,
You've got like a cabinet at the bottom and then some like floating shelves up top.
Yeah, perfect.
If you just Shou Sugi Ban the cabinet.
What if I Shou Sugi Ban the whole room?
Damn.
What if you just burned down your house?
I mean, one good bean burrito and you can Shou Sugi Ban a mini room.